In this video, I will cover the topic of smart contracts and explain to you as simple as possible what smart contracts are, how they work, and what advantages and disadvantages they have. So, let's get started. Smart contracts were designed long before Bitcoin was released. Someone named Nick Szabo, a computer scientist, a legal scholar, and a cryptographer, published the first draft of his idea of smart contracts in 1997. But what are smart contracts? Smart contracts are not really like regular contracts. They are still an agreement between two or more parties, but in this case, the agreement isn't written on paper. Whether the contract is written in some lines of code running on a blockchain. A smart contract is programmed before deployment and contains conditions for actions that the contract creator wants to specify. So they just make it clear in advance what the agreement will be and what the terms are. After the smart contract is integrated into a blockchain, it only performs when conditions match. When conditions match, it automatically performs the action. Accordingly, two or more parties can make an agreement via the blockchain without knowing or trusting each other. It's a system that doesn't require a third party. Characteristics. Since smart contracts run on a blockchain, they work with blockchain technology and share their common features, just like being decentralized, trustless, transparent, immutable, and deterministic. By using Ethereum smart contracts as an example, let's briefly talk about the main features of a smart contract. Distributed. Once smart contracts are added to the blockchain, they are validated by everyone in the network. After confirmation, the smart contract is duplicated and distributed across all the nodes of the entire Ethereum network. Transparent. The Ethereum blockchain is publicly viewable, just like all the smart contracts that have happened and that are happening. Trustless. It no longer requires a middleman to execute smart contracts. The parties do not have to know or trust each other. Immutable. Once they are created, they can never be changed again unless there was a specific function previously implemented that allows the contract creator to change or delete the smart contract. Deterministic. Smart contracts come only into effect when agreed conditions are met. They, therefore, interact as an automated self-enforcing program. Smart contracts can be used in many ways. Let's just take the example Nick Szabo used in his first smart contract draft. Vending machines. Each vending machine stores regulations that you will get a snack if you put enough money into it. When someone puts money into the vending machine automatically calculates if the money is enough for the snack you want. And after the automatic calculations, you get your snack and as well any change. And this happens without any help of a middleman. It just happens as an automated self-enforcing system. And let's just talk about the advantages smart contracts have. Through their decentralized and self-executing feature, smart contracts provide more transparency and lower operation costs due to no need of any middleman. They are highly customizable because there is so much room and opportunities to create a smart contract. They are extremely helpful when transferring or exchanging funds between two or more parties, for example on crowdfunding platforms. But what are the disadvantages? It is still computer code written by humans, and this has many risks, as the code may contain vulnerabilities, which others can, in turn, abuse. Smart contracts are a fantastic invention that provides more security and transparency, and have already found great acceptance in blockchain implementation. I hope you liked the video, and if so, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more explanatory videos about crypto basics for beginners, and activate the bell so you won't miss anything in the future. And until then, see you in the next video and goodbye!